Do you know anything about mashup?
I know absolutely nothing about mashup.
Mashup, I have heard that word, but I don't know what it sounds exactly. But I would like to know what mashup is. Let's see what it is.
Hi.
Hello.
Do you know anything about mashup?
Mashup?
Yes.
No idea. Mashup, actually, is it like a software or something?
Hello.
Hi.
Do you know anything about mashup?
Not really. What is mashup?
Why mashups? An important question that might be quarreling in your mind. This video further explains more about why mashups are so common and why it is so important. Put your seatbelts to take off the flight to see mashups. What is mashups? Curious? First let me define what is a mashup in a simple language. Mashups are simply a combination of two or more sources. Normally, Ajax is used as the primary language between many languages used in the World Wide Web. For an example, if you take ASP.NET, Java, Ajax plays a major part, simply a new technology with a new idea. Now let's see how mashups are made. Widget is a small part of a large application. Web sources can take many shapes, such as databases, maps, and servers. RSS feed is the real-time data shared between the sources and the web users. RSS feeds can be weather reports, flights, details, food prices. Mashups are made of three components, which are RSS feeds, widgets, and enterprise data. The history of mashups. In earlier days, because mashups were not available, applications like geographic systems were built using packages. In 1980s, this was a major popular, but only till the 2000s. Then, non-computer experts started using tools to build up mashups, combining maps and data. Not only map-oriented mashups, but can build various mashups by using today's technology. But when you say mashup loudly, first thing that jumps into your mind is some mapping application like Google. Now let's see the mashup popularity. Google Maps is the poster child of web mashups, but it was not the first company to introduce internet mapping technology. Prior to its existence, MapQuest and Yahoo Maps dominated the scene. These sites were used mostly to get driving directions and for address lookups. In 2005, Google reintroduced internet mapping with a twist. It not only provided a resource for driving directions or address lookups, it extended the technology by creating an API through which users could create personalized Google Map widgets. Yahoo and Microsoft followed suit with Yahoo Maps and Virtual Earth APIs respectively. Since then, mashups have received considerable attention. Now let's see mashup trends. As you can see in the pie chart, mapping, photo, shopping, search, video, travel, news, social, sports, messaging are areas that mashup trends are building on. Per day, 2.5 mashups are made by worldwide developers and added to the internet. The professionals assume that this figure would increase up to 10 mashups per day. Wow! And the growth of building applications by mashing various widgets, feeds, and data will increase in a huge number in the near future. The architecture of mashups. Logically, a mashup can be viewed as being composed of three different participants, which are usually physically separated too. They are content providers, mashup site, client's browser. Now let's consider the architecture of mashups. Explaining the architecture of mashup, first of all consider the architecture of your computer. Upon your Windows or Mac OS, components such as software applications, user interfaces, files are installed. To run an application, all the above mentioned components are combined and used. For an example, running Windows Media Player needs media files and the media application. Likewise, in mashup architecture, if you assign the internet for your OS and Google Yahoo websites and databases for your application layer, to build a mashup you combine maps from the Google and data from the databases to create a website. Likewise, you can combine any component in the second layer to create new application. Now let's see the languages used to develop mashups. Most mashups are developed using one or more of the following languages, such as JavaScript, Ajax, HTML, or PHP. Next, I would like to introduce you some tools that are used to build mashups. First of all, let's see the Pipes. Pipes is a free online service released by Yahoo in February 2007. It allows the creation of mashups using a visual editor. It requires no coding. You simply drag and drop data sources and operators onto the workspace and connect them. How simple! If you want to get more details about pipes and create mashups, you can just type Yahoo Pipes and search. Next, let me introduce the next tool, QAD Wiki. QAD Wiki, which stands for Quick and Easily Done Wiki, is a wiki-based mashup maker developed by the IBM Emerging Internet Technologies Group and